Howdy, welcome back to the Addicted Motors YouTube channel. My name is Troy, and this is the Rover Review Auction Series. Haven't done a video for a little while because there was a surprising lack of interesting Rovers to talk about. And I don't think this particular 2008 or 2009 L322 is the most interesting, but it kind of brings about the conversation of the status of the Rover market at the current time. And if you're new to the channel, again, please like, subscribe, check out the rest of my videos. We'll try to get back into the swing of doing these more often. So this is a dealer trade-in. So there's two types of auction Rovers, right? There's the ones offered by independent dealerships that have purchased them wholesale and then are selling them, and there's the ones that get directly traded in and go direct to wholesale for purchase, right, by more independent dealers. So this is the latter. This one is traded into a Toyota dealer, and it's odd they haven't listed it on a live auction. It's on OVE, which is, rolling bids and offers. I'm assuming they overpaid for it because, again, it's listed at a buy it now price. It's got good miles. It's got 3 owners. It's an 09 non-supercharged, but supercharged grille and wheels, L322. But it is listed in Connecticut, and that means it is most likely a little crusty. So what I would assume happened is they traded it and then realized it probably had more rust than they would like to see on it. And that happens. Again, $4,500 is not a whole lot of money. But if you have to do any suspension bits on it in the near future, which it's an L322, so it probably needs bushings and lower control arms and whatnot, then you're going to fight, and you're going to continue fighting, especially when you've got a little bit of rust in the body, and we'll kind of get into that now. So I'm just doing a quick run through of the pictures, see how it looks. Again, it presents well. Cheap kind of beater Rover thing, blah, blah, blah. But the flip side is I've been able to purchase these for $2,000 to $4,000, so at the price that it is now, with probably a $300 or $400 dealer buy fee and then shipping, you're in it for almost $6,000 before you start messing around. And if it was me, I'd rather take a gamble on someone locally that didn't need to do shipping for, that I could beat down because things are selling slower on Facebook Marketplace. So it's a bit of a gamble. So again, this is what we do. We talk about this stuff. We share interesting Rovers and whatnot. And again, if you're interested in any of these trucks particularly, let me know. Like I said, we can source them, find them for you, deliver them. I'd only charge a small markup, and it kind of keeps the fun going when it comes to these old turds, I guess. But going back to this one again, it's got good paint, right? Good. What I always say about Rovers with good paint, that means they're rusty but probably run well. Interior is good. This is where I started getting suspicious, right? You've got a lot of rust kind of accumulating on the back and around the lower control arms in the rear, and I'm sure are probably around the fuel tank area, which means the brake lines that kind of run above that are probably crusty, and all it takes is one little bumper jolt and all that stuff starts coming apart, and that just gets expensive. But I love the black interior with the wood. That looks awesome. Again, the front, I got that little bit of control arm crust on it, and I would like to see new control arms on a 17-year-old vehicle at this point. But the rust in the arches, that's the big one, because you can't just pull those and replace. That goes to deeper cancer within the car. So it's that's the killer. Honestly, underside stuff, if you're gonna not really keep it long term, is fine. Here's the running video. It sounds okay. I don't know if you guys can hear it or not. It's a little belt squeak from things being wet, but it's got orange coolant in it, so I'm the mechanical, the running gear of this truck is the least of my concerns. But it seems okay overall. It's just interesting that it's at a Toyota dealer, that they're not running it on a live auction, they're putting it on OVE, and hopefully get something for it. But it's been there for a while. I was excited there was a supercharged, but due to the geographical location, less excited. So catch you on the next one.